back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen, and today I like to tell you that I am gonna have some sales. Alright, so this time it's gonna be the paper pack sale, and so I do have plenty of packs left. So I do have the Sherlock Holmes, my first one, and the Wild Heart, so that it's shiny, but I'm gonna keep them packed. The Wild Hearts, of course, and then the Winter Tales I do have, and my Secret Garden, and my last one, Ocean Breeze. So if you do not have these already, shame on you. Well, no, just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, so, but if you still like to have an extra paper pack, if you didn't have them already, then this is your time. I'm gonna do a paper pack sale 2 + 2 free. So buy 2 and you will get 2 extra. Okay, so yeah, just send me an email and which 4 ones you prefer, and you can choose. You definitely can choose. It's not that you buy 2 and then I choose 2. Nope, 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 nope. You can choose even 4 different ones, 4 the same ones, 2 of those, 2 of those. It's your choice. 2 + 2 free. So you only buy 2 paper packs. Just send me an email. But please remember, I have to say that sending 2, let's say you order 2 paper packs, I can send this, and this especially for the people out of Europe, 2 paper packs I can send in a mailbox. That's the cheapest way I can send out of Europe. So if I send 4 paper packs, it's gonna be more than normal that you use to me if I have an A4 size of package. But just send me an email, okay, and I will get into the shipping costs. But I hope you can't. I hope you can't. How do you call that? Refuse this sale. Alright, so please send me an email, guys, and because I do have plenty of paper packs left and I need space. Okay, I also have some kits left. I believe I have them all. Only the Winter Tales is sold out. So if you have interest in any of these kits, I still have these. So just send me an email if you are interested in that. Because the kit sale is also going on, and that is the buy 2 kits and you can get 1 kit free. Just send me an email to check out which kits I still have available. I also have a few old ones, but not much. I believe the Dream Folio I still have, and a few Baby Boy I still have, and then nothing else, and only these. Okay, so we have a kit sale 2 + 1 and a paper pack 2 + 2. Okay, so just send me an email if you want some. Bye bye.